Alright, today we're solving every cube except for 6x6 and 7x7. So the first thing I see when I pick up this scramble is I can start on red because there is a bar, but I could also start with green. Actually, green is better. So what I can do is put this one in like that, and then that makes a layer because then I can insert this to here in the back, and then that makes a layer. So I'll just remember that, and then this OLL, and then PLL. Okay, so the first thing I see, I can only do white or yellow cross on 3x3. So I'm gonna look and I see that white cross would be easier because then this is opposite, and then this is also opposite. So I'll do R to put these two in their spots, and then I'm just gonna put this one to be opposite too, like that, and then this one goes in like that, and then D2 to line up the cross. And then now for my first pair, I see this pair, the red-green pair, and then I'll pair them up like that. And then I'll insert it with a sledgehammer just because. And then I see this pair. So I'll do it like this into the back, and then I'll do this pair like this into the back, and then I can't figure out what to do, so I'm just gonna do like sledgehammer 3 times, and then this OLL, and then PLL. So for 4x4, I don't start on any center. I either start on yellow or white. But for this, I noticed that I don't need to do yellow first, even though there's this bar. So I see these two. So maybe I'll join them up like that, and then move it to the side to preserve it, and then have these two set up. And then that's the yellow center done, so I can move white to the top opposite, and then these two I can join them up like this, and then insert to the top. Next, I'm gonna put white on this side because I do white cross, so then I'm just doing yaw edges. So there's one. Whoa. And then here's another one. Put it underneath green, and then red. And then now I'm going to make the last cross piece because I think it's faster to do this. It's already lined up with a bar. And then I see this. And then these two bars. So like that. And then that's not right, so I'll do that. And then join these two pieces like that. And then now line up the cross and then do edge pairing. So I notice these two are going to pair up, so I'm going to set them up like that, and then set also these two up. I just need to flip this one and then slice back to make 3 edges. And then now this one, I'll just put this across and then look at this and then fix the centers. And then now it's just 3x3 stage unless I get parity. So I'm just going to keep solving. Oh, I probably should have done that. Okay, no OLL parity. And then no PLL parity. That's lucky. Okay, so for 5x5, I noticed that I have a 2x3, another 2x3, and then here I have another 2x3. So I'm going to try, oh wait, actually 1x3, 1x2s. So I'm going to join them up like this to make a 2x3, and then I'm going to make the last bar. And then join up to make the first center. Then I notice these two to move here, so I can do that and then this to get a square. And then I find this, so I can do that to pair them up and then move it to the square. Now I find the edge center. It's right here, so I'll do F2 to pair these two up and then insert that. And then I'll do edges next. Same thing as the 4x4. So that's 1. 2. Okay, I can't find the last piece, so it's here. But I put it flipped, so there, I'll just do that. And then I'll make the 4th cross edge. Okay, I'll make the 4th cross edge and then attach it to the bar. And then attach that to make a square. And then I don't know how to pair this up efficiently, so I'll do it like that. And then make a 2x3 and then attach the last bar. And then now I'll do this to make that, and then like move it to the top and do that to move that to this side, and then like that, and then pair this with that. So, and then now for this, I would just do that to make a 2x3, and then do this case to do the last center, fix that cross edge, and then free slice edge pairing, so I can make edges, but not worry about the centers. So now I can do this one and move it to the back, and then not worry about that and do this. So flip, do that, and then move this edge in, because then I can easily pair all of these up. So then I notice next the easiest one to do would be this, because I see that. So insert these two edges like that and then pair them up. And that's perfect, because now all the solved edges are on tops and the centers need to be correct. So now I notice this, so I'll just do slice and then flip it and then slice back, and then for this I would just move that spot over and then do the same. And then for this I would just do slice, flip, and then do that, and then flip. And then now I have this pattern, so I'll just do the parity algorithm. And then it's just 3x3 stage. I can't see through the camera. That's it for today's video.